Okay, so nandito na tayo sa second lesson ng third quarter Math 10, which is the fundamental counting principles. So, sasabihin ko na lang po yung may definition nito. So, kung kayo ay nag-lecture. So, fundamental counting principles is a method or a rule used to calculate the total number of possible outcomes or choices when two or more events are occurring together. It states that if event 1 occurs in P ways, event 2 occurs in Q ways, and event 3 occurs in R ways, then they are P times Q times R ways. Okay? Again, ito pong fundamental counting principles or tinatawag nating FCP, we are going to multiply the number of total events. So kung ilan po yung pangyayari at yung given na number, mumultiply nyo lang po yun lahat and ayun na po yung number of ways. So for example, yung example natin nung sa tree diagram. Okay, so for example, ito yung sa tree diagram, di ba? So, tingnan natin kung same na possible outcomes ang lalabas. So, a coin is tossed twice. So, sa first toss, meron tayong dalawa dyan. Kasi may toss twice daw. So, sa first toss, ang pwede nating makuha is head and tail. So, meaning meron tayong dalawa dyan sa unang line. And then, multiply. Ang galing nyo to, kama. Walang kama yan. So, sa first toss, pwede tayo makakuha ng head and tail, which is dalawang beses yon. Dalawa yon, head and tail, dalawa. So, head and tail, kaya dalawa yung isulat mo sa una. And then, sa pangalawang toss naman, ilang beses mo posibleng makuha yung head and tail. So, ganun pa rin naman, dalawang beses mo pa rin pwede sila makuha. So, 2. And then, multiply. 2 times 2, that is 4. Meaning, we have 4 ways. Okay po. Is it same? Yes. So, number 2. Ano number dito? In how many ways can you select a president, vice president, and secretary from a class of 20 students? So, meron daw po tayong 20 students and pipili po tayo ng president, vice president, and secretary. Okay? So, meaning, ang hinahanap natin is tatlo, president, vice president, and secretary. Meaning, meron tayong tatlong line. Okay po? So, ito yung sa president, vice president, and secretary. So, kapag pipili ka po ng president, meron pa tayong 20 students. So, sa unang line, meron pa tayong 20 students. Okay po? Ngayon, tapos na si President, nakapili na. So, meron na lang tayong 19 students para sa Vice and Secretary kasi nga nakapili na po ng President, tapos na siya. So, meaning, dito sa second line, meron na lang 19. O ngayon naman, tapos na si Vice President and President. Meron na lang tayong natitirang 18 students para sa Secretary. So, meaning, ang lalagyan natin dito is 18. O now, multiply. 20 times 19 times 18. So, we have 6,840 ways. Yan na po yung sagot. Po. So, napakadali lang ng fundamental counting principles. You're going to multiply the number of events. Okay? So, next topic po natin is all about factorial notation. Thank you for watching.